Databases and structured query language were nearly synonymous over 3 decades. SQL was required for everyone who wished to obtain data from a database. There was no SQL alternative, and anyone who wishes to maintain databases or work as a database administrator had to learn the intricacies of the system. However, there are several alternatives available today, and I'll be naming a few of them. So the first one is PRQL, pronounced PRQL. This stands for Pipelined Relational Query Language. This language's data querying system are made up of a series of tiny instructions. When all the instructions are combined, you'll obtain the results that only contains the information that you need. Another alternative is GraphQL. The name is a little misleading because it isn't truly a language built to make use of all the benefits of graph databases. GraphQL is more of an elegant shortcut for accessing data stored in layered JSON-like format. The query is just a description of how the results should appear. The third one is Malloy. The problem with SQL, according to the creators of Malloy, lies in the syntactic details. Expressing even the simplest of query takes time because the language is verbose and is full of hidden performance traps. So they created a modern programming language with natural defaults, simpler syntax that can be used to compile SQL. So no one needs to retrofit a stock database. The last one I'll be talking about is NoSQL, pronounced nickel. This is designed to make it easier for SQL alternatives to work with JSON objects that might be stored in Couchbase. A basic query has several sections specified by the keywords select, from, and where, just like SQL. However, this is just a few of them, and if you want to learn more, I'll leave a link in the resource section so you can do some additional reading.